Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to verify your email on PayPal account. To verify your email address on PayPal, follow the steps. Let's say you've just opened up a new account on PayPal. Right after you do that, the first thing you want to do is to verify your email. Go to the top right corner from the main homepage and tap on the human icon. Right after you open up this profile section, under Complete Your Profile, you will be able to see the Confirm button, which you should tap on immediately. Now, click on Confirm button in order to confirm your email, or you can also tap on Send a code instead. I'm gonna tap on Confirm with Google. Click the Continue button to end up to google.com or any other email that you've signed up for PayPal with. Simply press on that button and you will be guided through the process. Now, go ahead and sign into your email account like you normally do. After signing into your email account, go ahead and enter your PayPal account's password. Click on Login once done. You will then be able to confirm your email just like that. Your email is now verified, and you can start using PayPal to send or receive payments. So that is how you verify your email address on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.